Hey everyone, what if one day your car refuses to shift gears properly, leaving you stuck in traffic? You scan the ECU and boom, P0909, clutch actuator D control circuit open. This error means that your car's clutch actuator D isn't communicating properly, leading to shifting problems, jerking, or even a complete transmission failure. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you where this sensor is located, what causes this issue, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. DTC P0909 signals an open circuit in the clutch actuator D control system. This actuator is a crucial part of semi-automatic and dual clutch transmissions that helps in engaging and disengaging the clutch. If it fails, you'll experience difficulty shifting gears, sluggish acceleration, and even transmission failure. Car gets stuck in gear or refuses to shift. Check engine light or transmission, warning light on clutch feels unresponsive. Clutch actuator D location, mounted on the transmission housing, near the clutch assembly, found in semi-automatic and dual clutch transmissions. Transmission control module TCM location, usually placed inside the engine bay, near the transmission. In some vehicles, it's located under the dashboard or near the battery. Wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the clutch actuator, TCM and fuse box. May be found along the transmission housing or beneath the car. Faulty clutch actuator. D. A malfunctioning actuator disrupts gear shifting. Damaged or open wiring. A break in the electrical circuit can cause communication failure. Blown fuse or relay. A simple blown fuse can cause the actuator to stop functioning. Step 1. Check battery voltage. Low voltage can disrupt actuator signals. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or disconnected wires. Step 3. Test the clutch actuator. D. Use a multimeter to check its resistance and voltage. Step 4. Scan for additional codes. If the TCM is faulty, you may see other error codes. If left untreated, P0909 can lead to complete transmission failure, costing you thousands in repairs. Fixing it early ensures smooth gear shifts and prevents expensive breakdowns. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0684, glow plug control circuit intermittent. P0685, ECM PCM power relay control circuit open. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.